Hello, everyone. Clint Hain, certified financial planner and founder of Next Gen Wealth, as well as the Achieving Financial Awesomeness blog. We are bringing you a brand new blog post today, and it is a big one. We really went down and deep and dirty into the weeds to come up with what I think is the most comprehensive guide to saving for retirement. So, all the way to the benefits of saving early and the different types of accounts, to compound interest, to where you should put this money. I mean, everything you can even think about when it comes to saving for retirement, I'm pretty sure we've covered it in this. So, hopefully, you enjoy this blog post today. As always, if you have questions, concerns, you're not sure about something, always feel free to reach out to us just through the Contact Us page up in the top right, or you can always reach out on social media as well, and we'll get those questions addressed. But definitely feel free to provide us any feedback at all, and I hope you enjoy the retirement guide. Talk to y'all later. Bye.